Jashala Guwahati Walk Laizaka Northeastern Energy Committeeni Shakthar Mumbai Filnu Chisuku Kokchap Panda Ashani Pandao Manjakha Hasteni Chungfrang Mantri Ratan LalNath Abahikino Manjakha te Kubar Hasteni Chungfrang ni Mantri Rao Ashani Pandao Technical Committee meeting go OTPS Palatana Gas Power Project go Gesni Mulaza Kabang Laizakna ni bagai offer shofai ka hanai Abahike Mulaza Kabang Ongkha Hanke Tripura Assam Mizoram Nagaland Manipur no Khoboi Juto Northeastern Ferang Consumer Rock ni Shakawa Impact Ongnai Farno Kebing Basaka Hasteni Mantri Ratan LalNath Ashani Pandani Bishing the Shrek Shawikana Roka offers Hasteni Rukorokni against Suhane Abno Kariba Ashlate Budal Vidal Koklam Shawikana Roka Pandao Manjakha Narvairok.
Most probably yesterday in the technical session, I got information reserve generation regarding generation reserve estimation. Reserve generation as proposed by NLDC for Tripura as 13%. That is around 30 to 35 megawatt. With respect to average demand is 320 megawatt. Is very much higher in respect to other larger states of India. As example, UP is 3.62%. Tamil Nadu is 4.42%. Average country reserve estimation is 5%. The infrastructure of Tripura power system is totally based on gas thermal generation. Moreover, gas constraint is being faced nowadays, so it is proposed to review the matter, the reserve generation of Tripura. Otherwise, end consumers of Tripura will be affected. Another most probably discussed here, blending gas rate of OTPC. The proposed gas blending, Tripura is totally based on gas. The proposed gas blending rate from OTPC is rupees 7.70 per unit, is very much higher than the present market rate. Present market rate around the clock is rupees 5.50 per unit. Capped rate by the gas is rupees 6.80 per unit as per Ministry of Petroleum, Government of India. Ultimately, and consumers of Tripura will be affected. This issue to be resolved bilaterally. It is not possible as because already Minister of Petroleum already mentioned and few days back in our state huge repercussion regarding gas price and we are depending only gas. Alternative no other in our state. We are giving importance on especially solar, based on solar. And recently rooftop solar production under PM Surjagor within few months has touched 2 megawatt in the Tripura state. So in case of gas rate and that is reserved generation reserve estimation, kindly from our forum, it should be unitedly, it should be placed proper place. Thanks.
Akoklam Shalimani Yagolo Paithago, Akoimu Rokno, Mothagito Nani Nanka, Ashali Pandao Manjakha Northeastern Joto Hasteni Electric Minister, Secretary Udayan Shinha, State Power Corporation Limited, Managing Director Bishojit Bosho, Power Transport Limited General Manager Ronson Depormano Kobo Tekupnadong Rock. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.